What's up, everyone? My name is Jaytee and welcome back to my channel. And yes guys, sa title pa lang ng video na to, I will be doing a ukulele tutorial today since the last time na nakapag-upload ako ng tutorial is about 1 month ago, and that was a very long time ago already. And a lot of you guys have been requesting me na, ate, asan na yung mga tutorials mo? So parang na-pressure ako ng konti doon. So without further ado, grab your ukulele. Ay, na naman yung mga asan na, ha? So without further ado, grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Mundo by 4 of Spades. So for this tutorial, I will be using any kapo since a lot of you have been commenting on my videos na if ever gagawa ako ng tutorial, pwede ba na walang kapo kasi wala kayong available na kapo. But if you would like to use one, I would advise you to clip your kapo here in the 2nd or in the 3rd fret of your ukulele. Depende naman din yun sa preference mo. And yun. So this song has only 5 chords. So ilalagay ko din yung chord illustrations dyan para hindi kayo mahirapan. So the first chord is A sharp or B flat. So you have to put your index finger here in the 1st fret. Ipit mo tong first 2 strings here. And then your middle finger here. And your 4th finger here. So ayan yung B flat natin. Tapos next chord natin is F. Put your index finger here in the 2nd string, 1st fret, and then your middle finger here. So, parang ganyan. Tapos, next chord is C5. So, diba, ganito yung C. Yung C5 is dalawa sila dyan. Tapos, yung 4th chord natin is D minor. Ayan yung D minor. And then, the last chord would be C. So, ayan. Again, B flat or A sharp. Tapos, F. Tapos, C5. Tapos, D minor. And lastly, C. So, those are the chords that will be used in this song. And then, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. So, na-mention ko na to sa previous videos ko na yung strumming, the way ka na magsa-strum sa ukulele mo, dapat ganito yung kamay mo. So, ganito yung position niya. So, in strumming your ukulele, yung mga down strums niya, ito yung ginagamit natin. Yung kuko ng index finger natin. So, down, 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 ganun. Tapos, yung pa-up na strums, ito yung ginagamit natin, yung index finger. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, since this strumming pattern is down, down, up, 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 down, so magiging ganito siya. Down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Okay? And then, may apat na ang tawag dito, parts yung kanta. First is the intro, yung verses, yung chorus, at then, yung yung bridge. So, at ayun yung apat na parts ng kanta. So, let's move on sa intro ng song. So, the first chord would be A sharp or B flat. Yan. Tapos, F. So, dalawang beses natin yun uulitin. Yan. Yung pangalawang F, you have to strum once. 2, 3, 4. Tapos move to C5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ulitin natin ng slowly lang tayo, okay? So, down. So, kung napapansin nyo, parang pinipindot ko yung mga strings dito. Pero since maraming beginners na nanonood sa atin ngayon, so, okay lang na steady lang yung kamay nyo kung di nyo pa kaya. Down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. So, dalawang beses yun yung strumming pattern, tapos move sa F. Down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, down. Tapos, twice. Down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Tapos yung pangalawang F, you have to strum once per chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yung sa F, pangalawang F, pwede din na 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganon. Parang may isang down, up, down na strum, tapos move to C5. Depende din naman sa style mo. So, ayun yung intro natin. So, let's move on sa verse 1. Dito sa verse 1, may 3 chord progressions lang tayo. 3 chords, 1 chord progression. So, the chord progression for the verses is A sharp or B flat, F, tapos C5. Tapos, 4 na beses natin siyang uulitin. 1, 2, 1. So, ganun. Okay? So, 4 na beses natin siyang uulitin. Same strumming pattern, same chord progression. So, ayun. Try natin kantahin yung verse 1. Tapos, ayan. Ilalagay ko yung lyrics and chords dyan. San darating ang mga salita na nanggagaling sa aming dalawa. Kung may isan ka, wag naman sana. Ika'y kumapit na hindi makawala. So, ganun yung sa verses. Yung sa verse 2, ganun din. Same strumming pattern, same chord progression. So, let's move on sa chorus. So, chorus is A sharp, F, tsaka C5 lang yung chord progression. So, same strumming pattern. Aking sinta, ikaw na ang tahanan at mundo sa pagbalik, mananatiling nasa piling mo. So, itry natin na i-demo yung chorus. So, aking, so sa aking, sa king, so, dun ka na magsa-start na magsa-strum. Aking sinta, ikaw na ang tahanan. So, move ka na. So, from A sharp to F. Ikaw na ang tahanan at mundo. So, ganun. Balik, mananatili na. So, nasa piling mo. Tapos, verse 2. So, ganun pa rin yung sa verse 2. Tapos, ulitin yung chorus. So, let's move on sa bridge na part. So, sa bridge na part, yung chords are A sharp, D minor, C, tapos A sharp ulit, F, tapos C5. So, ganito siya. Same strumming pattern, okay? Limutin na ang mundo. So, sa line na yun, same chord, ng magkasama sa magkasama, dun ka nalilipat ng chord. So, from A sharp to D minor. Limutin na ang mundo na magkasama tayo. Balik sa A sharp. Sunod sa bawat galaw. Tapos, hindi na maliligaw. Tapos, ulitin mo lang yung chorus, pero yung last chorus is parang soft na part. So, welcome. Kamu pergi. Na. Mga inspired ni Unique Salonga, no? Aking Twice yung chorus. Oh, wait! Aking sinta, ikaw na ang tahanan at mundo. Sabay balik, mananatili na sa piling mo. Mundo'y magiging ikaw. So, ganun lang. Basta yung strumming pattern, tandaan nyo lang, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down. Ganun yung beat niya. Down, up, down, down. So, kung nahihirapan kayo sa mga chords na ginamit ko dito, may alternative chords ako, okay? So, yung mga chords na yun is C, G, D, and E minor. So, ayun, ilalagay ko din yung chords and lyrics sa description box. So, be sure to check it out para masave as offline nyo din yung video na to. And pwede din na screenshot nyo lang yung chords and lyrics na naka-arrange sa tutorial na to. So, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. And also, if you have comments or suggestions about this video, so just drop it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on my next videos. Bye! Ay, wait! Abangan niyo yung vlog ko. Bye!